Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is cold today and I haven't got my dryer fixed yet, so I have to go to the washateria to dry my clothes, which I don't mind if it was summertime, but in the winter it's cold and I don't want to get out. But because I do need to get out today, I am going to go by the dumpsters. I don't know if there's going to be anything there today. Just, you never know. But usually on this day they don't. But it's been kind of thrown off because of the holidays and stuff. So it hasn't really been anything in the dumpsters lately. So hopefully they decided to get back on track and put something out there. Okay guys, I mean, that was an awesome score. I know it kind of looked crazy. These are always pads and stuff, but look, they're dry. I mean, they're in, even like tampons and stuff, it's in a plastic, so it's dry. Oh my gosh. So yeah, look at that. This is amazing. I know the guy's probably thinking, okay, she just got them from the dumpster. They're sealed. And I'm not finna let some pads, and they're all dry. Except for the tampon ones, but I can wipe them off. That was a good score for me. So I wanted to show you what I got from the KIRKLAND'S dumpster. Guys, I had just said that it probably wouldn't be anything out there because You know, it's been raining and the schedule's all thrown off. And of course, y'all see me pull this out of the dumpster, but I want to show y'all up close this amazing item. Okay, so this is what it is. It is a rolling barn door organizer. The funny thing about this is my daughter wanted me to kind of make one of these because we had some of the barn doors and the little bars, and she was like, Mom, we can try to make this, and it just never came about. I was like, nah, we ain't finna try to make this. And then I got this today, but let me show you the price of this thing, guys. The price of it. Look at that. $80. $80 for this. So I haven't even unclipped it. Was waiting. I'm gonna open it up with y'all. See if I can do it with these scissors. Let's see. There we go. And then there's a clip up here. I don't know how they clip that one. Okay, so I clip that plastic at the top, but I wanted us to see it together. So I don't know how it looks either underneath there. Hopefully it looks pretty well. I did notice that it's a screw right out there. That is no problem. I have plenty of screws, and yeah, so let's see. Let's see what this looks like. It's rolling. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Okay, let's get back here where you can see. So this is the chalk. Come on, camera. This is the chalkboard part of it. And let's roll it on over. Wow. And so this is, what is this? Oh, the little, wow, this. To be able, whoa, that's some strong magnets. To be able to put pictures or things on there. Let me see if I have something. Okay, so I put my picture up there for the Millennium Walk Against Domestic Violence. But yeah, so it came with these little strong magnets. It's 4 of them. And I'll tell you what, them things, that is really, really strong. So it has the galvanized metal part here. You slide it over. The awesome chalkboard there. And then you slide that part over. And then there you go. You can use your push pins or tacks or whatever on that side. What an amazing find. I mean, it was wet. The box was completely wet. I just knew that the item was going to be wet inside, and it was not. What an amazing find. Love it, love it. Alright guys, I will see y'all in my next video.